New York City has one of the most vibrant Chinatowns in the United States. While tourism in this neighborhood has fallen during the pandemic, it still retains its charming character. Looking for some good eats? Then welcome to Chinatown. We're going to be looking for some soup dumplings. On our way to lunch, it's hard to resist the sights of tropical Asian fruits on the streets and roast duck in the windows. The best soup dumplings, hands down, is Joe Shanghai's, where we've been going to for over 10 years. Here's the old location on Pell Street when we last visited in June 2019. No way that sitting with strangers would fly in this day and age. Fortunately, Joe Shanghai's relocated to a more spacious location on Bowery Street right before the pandemic started. Although the decor is new, the old green menus give me reassurance that the recipe hasn't changed. I'm not even sure why I'm looking at the menu. I mean, there's only one thing to order. That's right. Just soup dumplings, and that's all we ordered. They may look delicate, but they're pretty secure when transferring to your spoon. You need to poke a hole to sip out the soup before taking a bite into the rest of the dumpling. In this case, the change in location was for the better. Now that I got my fix of soup dumplings, it's time for dessert, and we're gonna head out to Koreatown. The easiest way to get to Koreatown from Chinatown is by subway. And just like that, we're in Midtown. Compared to Los Angeles' Koreatown, New York City's Koreatown is smaller, only taking up 2 blocks between 6th and Madison Avenues. But the expansion of outdoor dining makes it feel bigger. It's not Koreatown without an H Mart, which has all things Korean groceries. I'm really digging how pedestrian-friendly Koreatown is. Here's one of the oldest bookstores in Koreatown, where you can get all sorts of things K-pop related, including pre-ordering BTS's latest album. Sephora, eat your heart out. This is one of the many Korean skincare shops where you can find all sorts of sheet masks and moisturizers. But remember, we're here to look for dessert. The mochi donuts looked tempting, but it was a hot day and we wanted something cool. So we got a grapefruit tea slush with cheese foam from Machi Machi. Believe it or not, it works. So when in New York City, I hope you check out Chinatown and Koreatown.